decided to be here with me today, I am fake back, okay? This is part 2 of my Q&A video. We're gonna go ahead and get into the next question, all right? This question comes from Tar Bana Nupu. I could be messing this. I could be slaughtering this name. I'm sorry if I did. I am. There's 4 questions from her. She asks, how often do you wash your hair? Once a month. What shampoo do you use? Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree Castor Oil soap. Do I sit under the dryer? No, ma'am. I don't have time for that. How do I maintain using beeswax? Well, I have a video that I just posted last week. It's called how to use clips the right way and maintenance. I'll link it right here on the screen. Check that video out and you'll see my method in using beeswax. I use very little beeswax when I retwist my hair because with beeswax, a little goes a long way, and it really works in my hair. And I don't have any buildup or anything like that. So definitely check that video out. And that's how I maintain using beeswax. I use very little. The next question comes from KD. She lives in Texas, and she says that the heat dries her hair out in Texas. And she asks, what can I use for moisture? I would suggest, if you're living in a hot climate like Texas or Florida, you want to go ahead and use a leave-in conditioner. This will moisturize your hair throughout the day. It's also great for sealing in moisture. Me personally, when it's really hot outside, I like to use Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. It's actually by this company here called Tropical Roots. The company is Tropical Roots, just like that. I'll leave it right here on the screen. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's a Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. And it's really great for helping keeping your hair moisturized in the heat, okay? So definitely try that out. Definitely soak your hair down, not dripping wet, but you know, put some leave-in conditioner in your hair. This one is actually great for that. So try that and comment down below and let me know if it helps you. The next question comes from Waiting on Ya's Lead, okay? And she asks me, she says, what's a good way to moisturize thick locks when you're dealing with hard water? I use bottled water with a spritzer, but my hair has been so dry lately, even though I live in humid Florida. Sealing with oils does nothing but make my scalp itchy. My first question to you is, what kind of oils are you using? Does any of the oils you use have chemicals or any type of additives in them? Are there dyes in them? What type of oils are you using? Check out my video right here, 5 essential oils for itchy scalp. I hope that helps you. I would definitely try creating my own little leave-in conditioner. I do go into details on how to create that in my video, 5 essential oils for itchy scalp, so please check that out. This will also help moisturize your locks as well. So I would go into the details at this moment, but I kind of already answered this already, so definitely check out that video. And I appreciate you asking me your question. We're gonna go ahead and get to the next question. It comes from Dairy Zada, and they ask, what do you think about interlocking and how often to do it? Now, I have nothing against interlocking. To each his own. If that's what you like. If you're interlocking all the time, if you want to interlock one time, interlocking is a method that is normally used for sister locks. So, you know, if you have sister locks, then go for it. If you have regular locks like these here, and you want to do interlocking, I wouldn't recommend it because it's definitely going to change the texture of your locks. If you already have some inches on your locks and you transfer from simply palm rolling, doing a retwist that way, and start interlocking, it may look funny as the time go past. It's going to be two different patterns on your locks. And I can't help but mention that with interlocking, you actually increase your chances of your locks breaking off because your locks will be thinner, okay? And yeah, so those are my thoughts. The next question comes from Raya Minute. I hope I'm saying this right. She says, is the hair that you recommend for handmade locks safe to bleach and dye? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have done it. Okay, I have taken the hair that I used to make my mannequin and I've dyed it. Okay, stay tuned for that video. I did. So yes, it is definitely safe for dyeing, and it's also safe for bleaching. I actually did both. I bleached it, then I dyed it. But anyway, that's the next question. It comes from Rosemary Profrock. Okay, I hope I'm saying that right. She says, hello, your locks are beautiful. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. I really enjoy your videos. How did you make locks on your mannequin head? Girl, I just did. Okay, I just did. I made the locks handmade. I have a video on how I created the handmade locks. And I also, that's the same way I made the locks is the way that I attached them onto the mannequin head. And if you're interested in a mannequin head with locks, I do custom make mannequin heads for anyone who like one. All you have to do is email me at earthlocks.kenyatta. I'll leave it here on the screen if you want to inquire about prices. Yeah, so I believe that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and rocking with your girl. Okay, listen. Yo, your girl is tired, okay, girl? I am tired, all right, okay? Yes, I am. I just had a long day. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm blabbering. Yo, comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. I hope I answered your questions. If I answered one of your questions in this video, comment down below and let me know if my answer was helpful to you or if it wasn't, okay? Don't forget to share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rap my shit a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here.